What's up guys? In today's video we're gonna install the rear pads for the rear bumper to the Supra. Let's do it! Okay guys, this is what it came inside of the box. Two spats, this one for the rear bumper. One is the right side and the other one is the left side, driver side, passenger side, and it came with the screws. Okay, so let's install them and let's see how hard it is to install this. Let's do it. Okay guys, so let's see. These are the new spats, or a splitter, a spoiler, I don't know how they call them. They go on the back of the bumper, right here, like this. It's gonna look more aggressive, but I already have this, so I have to remove this and then put the other one. I don't know if I'm gonna put this back on the new one or leave it off, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so let's start with the installation. Okay, also I have my underglow, if you can see it, in here, attached to this one. So I don't know if should I just remove the underglow and put it under this one or put this one. Let's see, after I put this one, let's see how low it looks with this one. I might keep this, put the other one and still rock those. Let's do it. Okay, we're ready to install the spats. I removed my screws from the underglow from there. Yeah. Yes. So one good thing about these spats, they have the gap or the space in here for some clips. It has one clip over here and has another one over here, so that's why it has these gaps in here, so you don't have to remove them. You can put it like this. Look at this. And I think I'm gonna just use double-sided tape and still put the other one under this one. So let's put the double-sided tape on this one. Let's do that next. Okay guys, this is how it looks with the spats. This is the driver's side. Looks nice, looks aggressive, it looks cool. But I'm gonna add the wrap, my wrap, yellow wrap, because I wanna make it look more even with the other spoilers. So I'm gonna wrap this piece in yellow. Okay, but this is how it looks in black. So you can see it there, and this is the before and the other one is the after. This is the before with the old spat, but I think I'm gonna add the spat too on the bottom of the other one, the old one, the one is in the floor. I'm gonna stick it under this one. Okay, so let's wrap this piece first and let's see how it looks. Let's do it. Okay, I already added the one on the bottom, but I don't know if it looks good. It looks good from here. From here it looks very nice, but far away I don't know if it looks too thick. What do you guys think? Should I leave it or should I remove it? I don't know. Makes that one looks too thick. I don't know. I'll think about it. Maybe I'll leave it like that for a while. If not, I will remove it. This is the other side. You can see that on the back, how it looks here. It looks nice, but in this one looks super aggressive. Look at that. Amazing. Okay guys, this is how it looks with the rear spats in just black. They look nice. Let's see if I can put a little bit farther. You can see them. But they blend with the black, so I want them to pop a little bit more. So that's why I added the wrap. So in the other side is with the wrap and the second spat on the bottom. Let me go a little farther like this so you can see it. So I added also the one on the bottom, the other one. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep the one on the bottom, but for now I'm gonna run it like that. You can see it from here. Looks nice. It makes that one look a little bit more thicker. So that's with the wrap, and this side is no wrap, just the spats in black. So it needs a little bit of wrap because I have yellow here and it needs more yellow over there in my car, okay? But maybe if you get this, maybe you don't need to put wrap or anything. Okay, so let me put the wrap and I'm gonna put the other one on the back, the bottom. And I think that's it. Okay guys, this is the final product. Looks amazing. Look at that. So I pushed it a little bit inside, so it's not that too much sticking out. So it looks, I think it looks better like that. But it looks great. Look at that. Amazing. So it has the same style from the rear, middle and front. So I left a little bit of black on the top of the spats. The other side, same thing. Look at that. It looks amazing. Okay guys, that's the rear spats for the Supra. The link for this product is gonna be in the description and the video down below. If you like the video, please like the video. That helps the channel a lot. Subscribe for more videos like this one. If you have a comment, a question, put in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.